How to add apps to DIRECTV Stream. Open your device and start DIRECTV Stream to bring up the home screen. Move through the menu slowly until you reach the Apps section. Open the Apps section to see all available options on your device. Scroll down inside the Apps page and select the area that says Get More Apps. Wait for the Google Play Store to open automatically on your screen. Sign in with your Google account if the store asks you to continue. Type the name of the app you want inside the search bar at the top. Select the app from the search results to open its details page. Press the Install option to begin downloading the app on your device. Allow the installation to finish so the new app can be added successfully. Return to the Apps section where the newly installed app will appear. Open the app from the list and sign in if it requires a separate account. Complete the sign-in so the app becomes ready for normal use. Use the app anytime by opening it from your home screen or apps list. Thank you for watching.